Farm animals vocabulary. Cow, C-O-W, cow. A large animal that gives us milk. Say again, C-O-W, cow. Pig, P-I-G, pig. A pink or black animal that loves to roll in mud. Say again, P-I-G, pig. Chicken, C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. A bird that lays eggs and says, cluck. Say again, C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. Sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. An animal with fluffy wool that says, ba. Say again, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. A strong animal that people ride. Say again, H-O-R-S-E, horse. C-O-W, cow. P-I-G, pig. C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. H-O-R-S-E, horse.